Good morning and welcome to the launch of the new Feedlink Revvo kit from Aspire. It's a Squonk mod with a newly designed Revvo Boost tank. Let's have a look at the colours. We'll have silver, blue with black, gunmetal and chrome, silver and the new resin sunset red, black and the new resin night sky. Awesome colours. Okay, let's have a look at some specifications. First of all, the size. It's 87 millimeters high, 47 millimeters wide and 30 millimeters thick. The mod itself is bypass output, and the output voltage of the mod is 3 to 4.2 volts. The capacity of the Squonk bottle is 7 milliliters. The dimensions of the tank are 24 millimeters with a 2 milliliter tank. Let's have a closer look. The Feedlink mod has a wonderful spring-loaded 510 pin, not too soft, a 7 milliliter Squonk bottle, silicone, battery cover and Squonk bottle cover. The fire button is on the top and it's 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. Very simple. So, setting up the Squonk. First of all, we need to put some e-liquid into the Squonk bottle. Just a half turn on the bottle and out it comes with a carrier. Very convenient. We can then remove the bottle, unscrew the cap. Oh, we've got some liquid already in there. So very easy to fill. Squeeze your liquid into the bottle. Replace the cap. Try not to squeeze the bottle when you're doing this. Then replace the Squonk bottle into the holder. In there, no fiddling required, and turn, and it's done. Once you've got the bottle in there, if you've got no tank on the top, don't squeeze it because it will flood the 510 pin. To install the battery, first we need a nice, clean, undamaged battery. Unscrew the battery mounting cap, a few turns. Someone screwed this right the way in. There we go. Insert the battery, positive side up, and replace the battery cover. Don't over tighten, just firm, just finger firm. And that's it, it's ready. Remember with the batteries to use 18650 high drain with a current higher than probably 35 amps. Now let's look at the tank. It looks like a normal Revvo tank, but this is the Revvo Boost. And it has a Squonk pin in the middle. See the hole? Now, on taking it apart, it looks very similar to the original Revvo tank. But there's no filling tube here. So we can remove the coil screw, and as you can see, and the coil resistance is somewhere between 0.1 and 0.14 ohms with a wattage range of 70 to 80 watts. So to renew or replace the coil, just as I'm doing here, just drop the coil over there. Make sure it's seated around the edge. Replace the coil securing screw, which still has spit back protection, and replace the top cap. And there we have it. The new Revvo Boost tank. So, let's have a vape, shall we? First of all, we need to put it together. Screw down the tank. And let's fill it. Squeeze. Ah, here it comes. Squeeze. Okay. And once more. That's almost full. So we're all ready. But we've just filled the tank with a new coil. So we need to invert the tank for about 3 minutes before we start to vape. This will saturate the coil and make sure you don't get a dry hit. Okay, so we saturated the coil. Now we need to turn the mod on. 5 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you should have the light. Remember, when you stop using the mod, or when you put it in your bag, or your pocket, or your purse, to turn it off. And it's just 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the light goes out. So now, turn on the mod and have a vape. Thank you for watching the launch of the Aspire Feedlink Squonk mod with the new Revvo Boost tank.